This is not a plus size haul. This is actually an experiment that did my most favorite brand just stop doing plus size clothes. For context, I've been shopping at H&M for the last 3 or 4 years and I love their stuff. For example, my entire outfit today is from H&M. So this kurta, this linen pant for that matters, they're all from H&M. But for the last 6 months, I've observed whenever I'm on their app trying to shop, they're capping their sizing at XL. In fact, the algorithm there is recommending me to buy XL. For obvious reason, I've been ignoring it, thinking that this is not going to fit me, so why even try? But I'm actually traveling to Sri Lanka in the next couple of months, and I thought, hey, they do really good linen and cotton stuff. So let's give it a try and let's see how this works. So let's go ahead, open this package, and hope that I find something that fits me and actually looks nice. This is the first outfit. It's a t-shirt. I had loved this color. It also has this beautiful print on the back. This is their XL, and like you can see, it doesn't fits me right. I don't like this fit. If this was in a double XL, it would have been perfect. So this is the second outfit. I absolutely love it. It is such a cute color. It has a very flattering shape to it because it kind of loosens up on the most widest end of my body, and I think it looks extremely cute. The only thing that I might be a little insecure about are my arms. I wish that the sleeves were a little longer, but apart from that, I'm definitely keeping it. This is my third outfit. This is also XL, surprisingly, and it fits me really well. This is how it looks on the back. It's a simple linen shirt, and I think it's really pretty. So it's definitely a yay for me. This is my fourth outfit. I think it's beautiful. H&M does this beautiful ripped t-shirts that just looks stunning if you're comfortable with a more fitted look. I love the fit. I love how it looks on my body. I love the sleeves. It's just the right length for me. And I think this is a 10 on 10 for me. This is an XL, and like you can see, it absolutely doesn't fits me. It is tight. It's horrible looking. It's an A for me. This is the next outfit. I love this. It's a dress. Yeah, that's the length of the dress. It is beautiful. I already have the same dress in an electric blue color, and it's one of my favorites. It's my most worn dresses. This is a double XL and it fits beautifully. It is loose. It's exactly the kind of dress that I would need in a place like Sri Lanka that is hot and humid. It's an absolute 10 on 10 for me. And this is the last and a final outfit. It's a beautiful black dress. It is that length. I can't show this right now, but it's a beautiful dress. This is how it looks from behind. It fits slightly snug, especially on the chest area, but not something that I'm very uncomfortable with. This is a classic example that if I had this dress in a double XL, it would have been a 10 on 10. I'm gonna keep this dress because it's really pretty, but I just wished this was available in double XL. The final verdict, H&M does give a damn about its plus-size girlies. The sizes can be a little hit and miss, so go ahead, try them out. Let me know how those experiments were. And if you guys have any other brands that you would like me to experiment with, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.